Hello, I'm Ted Jones with MarineMax and Stuart. We're walking up to a brand new 21 SPX Sea Ray. This boat's powered with a 200 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke outboard. Very fuel efficient, very quiet. If you notice on the back of the boat, it has a big cushion area that has massive storage underneath it. These boats are amazing for room in them. And just doing a quick overview of the cockpit, you can see just how big it is. Very, very comfortable. Lots of room, big L-shaped seat in the back, plenty of room for sitting and lounging and laying out. Wonderful helm seat, bucket seat for both the helm and the companion. The dash in this boat's laid out really well. Easy to see the gauges and the depth sounder. Control the sound system that's incredible. If you look forward in this boat, big roomy area. Great comfortable cushions to sit in. Just imagine sitting in this thing, hanging out at the sandbar with your family, having a great time. Really enjoyable boat to be out on. This particular boat does have a unique feature also, that it has a ski tow arch with a bimini top, and it is foldable. All right, I'd like to thank you for taking the time to look at this boat with me. And again, the name's Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart, 772-263-6743.